Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Marina here. I'm so excited to share with you this unboxing video from Craftelier. So let's go ahead to open this package to see what's inside. I'm going to put this down. First, there is this towel by Craftelier, which is super amazing. Just take a look how gorgeous it is. Really beautiful. I love the design. And I have also this trailer. Okay, the quality is really good. I really like it. This is the second towel, just because we love Craftelier towels. This is an older one design. So it says, "Don't worry, craft happy." This is a crocodile. This is really super. I purchased these ink blending brushes. They are really so cute and I love the colors of them. And this is one that I was waiting for it. This is the We Are Memory Keepers scoring board, which has inches. And I'm really super excited for this particular scoring board, just because you people decided to make tutorials in inches, and I think that this will be very helpful for me. So let's go ahead to see the collection by Mintai, which I was waiting for also. Here is the Cottage heart. This is a new collection by Mintai. This is really romantic. I love the colors of it. The color combination. This cottage house is really so cute collection. I think we're gonna make a super cute mini album. I also purchased these two paper stickers elements. These are elements and these are words. I also purchased this 6x8 paper pad with a lot of elements as well to cut out. So beautiful ladies here. I also have these paper die cuts, which are 60 paper die cuts. It has a lot of elements inside to play with. And I also got this 6x8 album base, which is a chipboard base. 8 elements chipboard album base. I would love to try this one. Okay, let's move on to the next one. I also got the Owl's House by Stamperia, which I think it's a very beautiful winter collection. This is the 8x8 paper pad, and it has these beautiful papers inside, snowy and absolutely winter themed. This is a new product by Stamperia, which is a junk journal, and it has background stickers, cutouts inside, beautiful pages for art journaling, card making, album making maybe. I haven't used this before, so I thought it was a great idea to try and see how I can work with these ones. Okay, I see beautiful backgrounds. These are cut aparts, yes, and these are double-sided, which I really love. Okay, here as well, beautiful scenes here. These are stickers, yes, it's thinner paper here. I see a lot of elements. I really love this because it gives a lot of choices to make things. So here are the die cuts, which are actually chipboard die cuts, a lot of pieces here. And these are the ephemera pack, which has these really cute paper cutouts, which are actually adhesive paper cutouts. and they have this little shine on them, which I love always on the Stamperia's ephemera packs. I purchased this beautiful corner punch by We Are Memory Keepers. It has 3 corners in 3 different styles, which I absolutely love. These are brush caps, which goes here for the ink blending brushes. Let me open this. And of course I am going to grab the pink one, just because oh, this is really beautiful, really nice. It's heavy. I didn't wait to be heavy. So let's try this brush cap. Yes, it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, I love them. Here is the Mintai chippies. These are beautiful doilies, I could say. Yes, it says winter doilies. I absolutely love it. It's perfect for card making, and also we can use them as a beautiful element to decorate our mini album covers. I love them. These are some double-sided tapes, which I always work with them on my tutorials, and in general I am using these Craftelier double-sided tapes. I also purchased this blending tools holder. Let me open it and assemble it to see how that works. I'm really curious to see. Okay, here it goes. I think here it goes. Nope. This is first. Yes, I did it, guys. I did it. And these blending brushes go here. Okay, it's sturdy. I'm really happy with this one. So next one are these distress oxides. I had, guys, to purchase them. I really need them. I would love to try new techniques, and these colors are a must-have for me, at least. I have the walnut stain, the Victorian velvet, the withered wood, kitsch flamingo, antique linen, and spun sugar. I also got this ink pad storage for these ones, so let's open it. Okay, let's open this one. Oh, I really like this one, and with that I've got the ink labels, which has oxide labels, and not only for oxides but for ink pads, the regular ones. Yes, these are the ink labels, and these are the oxide labels. Let me find the withered wood. This is right here. And here as well. Okay, guys, I'm super excited with these new little things for my craft room. I also got this distress sprayer vaporizer to spread some water on my project, because, as I said before, I would love to try new techniques, maybe mixed media techniques. I am also working a lot of reels on my Instagram account. These are all about card making videos mainly, but I think we have to try new techniques if we really love what we are doing. So next one are these low tack tape. these are 3 pieces inside. It's paper one, and I think it doesn't stick when you want to make in card making things, or for your journal as well. You can stick this one all around to make a nice border, and work with mixed media materials such as liquids, such as oxides, and this tape will leave a nice border all around. I don't know how I can say that. I hope you understand what I mean. And the last product that I purchased is this Ecoline, I don't know how that will pronounce it. So this is a liquid watercolor. It's a white liquid color, and we can make splatters here and there in a white color, as you can see here. I really wanted in a long time to have this one in my stash. This will work so good for me, just because I don't have time to have acrylic paints and blend them with water and then splatter here and there. Last but not least, this cute little lollipop in heart shape. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Please, I would really appreciate if you write down in the comments which was your favorite product that I purchased. And that was for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.